So today I'm going to show you how to set your Firefox as your default browser, and that is if you wanted to browse on your mobile phone, you're going to use what do I call it, Firefox, not your Chrome, not your Google. So what you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, click on these your three dots. If you're using your Android, if you're using iPhone, you're going to see the settings around here. So I'm going to click on the three dots here. Once you click on the three dots, click on settings. Then you scroll down and you're going to see set as default. Just click on this, and once you click on this, you can see, just click here, click on Firefox here, and click on set as default, and automatically your Firefox is going to be your default browser. If you want to open any website or any apps, is going to be on Firefox very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.